just a quick review on the SKYRAY 10,200 lumen LED light. It's pretty good. Um, it's quite a chunky little unit, as you can see, but I think I paid 27 bucks for it. It didn't come with batteries or a charger, so I had to get them. The batteries are 18650 lithium ion batteries, which are pretty much the same as what you get in laptops. But I think all up it was about $63 with the batteries and the actual charger. Now, it takes 4 of them. I haven't tested how long they last for, but it's quite a bright unit. I think I'd imagine you get a few hours use out of them, but like it doesn't take long to charge these things up anyway. But I'll run it outside in a minute and I'll give you a look of how they come up at night. Quite surprised actually. But anyway, as you can see here, it weighs just under half a keg. So yeah, and that top bit's actually marketed as a strike bezel. So there you go. That's one setting: medium, low, off, high, medium, low, off. This is at the paddock next door. Those trees are about 40 metres away and about 30 metres tall. Now, if you ask me, I really don't think you actually need to have this setting, but there's strobe setting on it. It must be a safety thing, but it's pretty bright. And there it is, 3 settings and a strobe.